Hi, good morning, friends. So today we'll see there is a problem. It seems a interview question asked by Airbnb, and I got this question from Delhi Coding Problem. That's a website, and if you subscribe it, they will be sending you the problems every day asked by different companies. So yeah, so the question is like, for example, if they have a set of array like that, if like here we have four elements in an array. So basically, they are saying if given a list of words and find the pair of unique indices such that the concatenation of two words is a palindrome. So palindrome means we'll see what is palindrome. Palindrome means if you add these two words like code and edoc, and if you reverse, it should be the word should be same. So let me show you. If this is suppose, let me copy it. So the palindrome is okay. I have already opened JSPDL. So this is the array. Suppose input suppose code. If I concat code and edoc, so it will be code and edoc. So if I reverse it, so it should be code, then edco. You see, both the words are same. So if you count, if you read the word from left and from right, it should same. So this is a palindrome. Okay, so let me remove this. This is not record. So this is what a palindrome is called. What they're saying you find out the indices, unique indices such that the concatenation of the two words is a palindrome. So suppose here I can say 0 and 1, it's a palindrome, and 1 and 0 also a palindrome, and 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 1 and 2, it's not a palindrome because edoc, then da, then it will be adcode, so it's not a palindrome. Yeah, so 1 0 0 1, then 2 3 also a palindrome, dad, then if you reverse it, it is also dad. So let's write a program to solve this problem. So yeah, so let's get into the code directly. So yeah, here I have already given the input. So let me declare a function. I'm going to write it in JavaScript. So I have already opened JSPDL. So I'll write a function find unique indices. Okay, then I'll pass input as a parameter. Then what I have to do, I have to store the indexes. The indices means this indexes, like 0 1 if it is a palindrome, so I have to show these two indices. So for that, what I have to do, I will write a map. I'll declare a map, new map. So you can write a, this is correct, yeah. Then so I will compare what I will do. I will compare 0 plus 1, then I will reverse it from 1 0. Okay, so let me write okay, this is it. Okay, so let LHS left hand side and RHS then we have to iterate through array. Let I equal to 0, I less than I less than equal to input dot length length I plus plus, correct. So basically what I have to do here, I will iterate over the array, then I will concat the indexes from left to right, then right to left. So for that what I can do, only thing is if like index I plus 1, then if I is equal to 1, then it should be um, uh, I then I minus 1. So let me write, you can understand it. So what I can do, if I equal to 0, then we can do I equal to 0, then LHS equal to LHS equal to input I, then plus input of I plus 1. So here basically I will compare the 0 and 1. I will concat the 0 1 indexes, then I will reverse it. I will reverse and I will compare from I will read from left to right, then right to left. So then right hand side, what I'll do, left to right, left to right, right to left. Okay, left to right, then right to left. Okay, so you can write some meaningful words, and just that's what coming to my mind. Okay, so then okay, what I will do, I will reverse it. I will, for the reverse, what I will do, LTR, then I have to split it, split, then reverse, then join. Oh, this is correct. Let me check if this method is working or not. So I'm not sure. Let me check. Let test string equal to a b c d, then console dot log. Sorry for the disturbance, the dogs are barking. So let me see. Reverse, what I can do, test string, I'll copy it directly, right, copy, I'm doing right, save it. Okay, DCBA. Okay, this is working. Then you can see here, this is working. So fine, it is working. Then I will compare if LTR left to right equal to RTR, sorry, RTL, then I'll store this indices. So how can I store map dot set I plus 1. Okay, so this is when I equal to 0, then I have to do it for if I go to 1, then what I can do, I equal to 1, then LTR equal to then when I equal to 1, I should compare 1 0. I should compare 1 0. Then what I can do, this is wrong, okay, then in this case I will do what I will do, I will compare I minus 0 1 0, then RTR equal to RTL equal to LTR, then I have to reverse it, so I can use the same method, like okay, then if LTR equal to RTN, then I'll store map dot set I minus 1. So this is the two index we are comparing, so that's why no, not I minus 1. Yeah, so here we are comparing these two indexes, so if it is same, then we can store the two indexes, or else if it is not one in other cases, so what we can do other cases else, so else then I okay, LTR, so when I equal to 2, suppose LTR equal to input, so in case when I equal to 2, we should compare 2 1, we should compare 2 1, then 1 2, or 1 2, then okay, 1 2, then 2 1, anything is fine. Yeah, so yeah, so what I can do, input, so 1 2 means I minus 1 plus input I, correct, RTR RTL equal to, why I am writing RTR, I don't know, so copy no need to, I have to reverse it, right, I have to reverse it, I can copy that directly from here. So I can write here. Okay, this is 1. I minus 1. Then I can write. This is for 1 0. Sorry, this is for 1 2. This is for 1 2. Then I have to compare for 2 1. And 2 1 is simple, just copy and paste here. Exactly same. I think this code can be optimized in better way. So I then I minus 1, split reverse I minus 1. I think this is fine. Then if I is equal to 3, then it should be 2 3. Then it should be 3 2. Correct. So in this way it will work. So let me I should okay, I should return here a map. So after storing the map, I should display return entries. I should display the entries. Let me call it. Hope this will work. Console log. Let me call this method. What is this method name? Okay, my input is here. Let me bring it here. That's fine, but for readability I am putting it here. Okay, let us just clear the console, then save it. Wow. This is displaying the indexes properly, but I have to set it already. Okay, yeah. This is perfect. Yeah, this is what we are looking. Yeah. So let me clear the console and yeah. So this is the unique indices. So these are the indices. If you concate it and you will find the palindromes. So yeah, you can try. I think I did it in short time, and I think there is what I can think of right now. Yeah, have a nice day and happy coding.